Hello everyone, I'm super excited to show you what appeared at my doorstep and we're going to unbox it. I've already pre-cut the edges and of course I took off my address, but this box is so cute. And I like what it says. Welcome, let's see over here. Welcome to your best now life. This is the first time ever trying olive and June. I was really excited to be able to get my hands on this. Here are the 6 polishes. In camera they are brighter, but in real life they are a little bit more, well actually, maybe it's the lighting. Let's see if this helps. No. On camera they're actually more dull. But anyways, I am super excited. This one is called Hot Strawberry and it does look like a very neon pink. These are all neon, of course. This one is Blueberry Smash. Neon blue. The only thing that does worry me is that when I lay the polish down, you can see the translucent pigment. So most likely you're gonna have to put a white base coat, or maybe 2 coats would be enough. For my short nails, I think with 2 it will be enough. I don't think you'll be able to see the nail line. Super excited to try these out. So this one is a darker pink and this is a lighter pink. I thought I was supposed to get like an orange. I'm gonna have to see the pamphlet because these are 2 pinks. I've never seen neon collections have 2 of the same color. So we will have to see. This one here is a purple. I love purple. This one's called Grape Soda. This one's called Lime Fuzz. I don't know if I said the name of this one. Cherry Crush. Cherry Crush sounds more like a red, or what you would assume a red. I'm really gonna have to see the paper for the colors. Like I said, I've never had anything from Olive and June, and I'm really excited. Let's get this out. So here is the beautiful box. I have a little pamphlet here with information of how to, your guide to the perfect mani, the polish pro tip. Super excited. And it also gives a description of what's or everything you need to do your nails at home. So how do we open this beautiful box? I don't even want to give, ooh, so pretty. This is so cute. This is information of their company. See, I see orange, yellow, green, pink. Yeah, I wonder if that's a mistake. You also get some nail decals and some awesome, oh, okay. Wow, this smells really strong of acetone. So maybe a free nail polish? That is pretty cool. Okay, so these are little stickers. That's cute. It would give me anxiety trying to figure out where the heck I'm gonna put this and leave it permanently. So it'll probably stay in its packaging. But beautiful nails for everyone. That could be like a cute poster board, a picture frame or something. I really like these. These are adorable. Can't wait to do some nail art on that. If I do nail art with any like nail decals or anything else that I feel like, oh, I won't be able to get anymore, I'll do like press-ons. Yeah, I'm weird. This is the nail polish remover pot, which I am very, 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 very excited to try. It's so tiny, so cute. And what I've seen is that they reuse it. So this is cute. I wish it was purple. I know it's pink, but you know, purple would be nice. But it's really cute, very hard metal, which I like. It doesn't feel flimsy. And this is the Olive and June, the top coat. And so here, so I'm assuming, I assume there was only 6. But here is the orange one. So I'm assuming they didn't fit the way it was placed. So it's 7. It's really cute. And this was called Orange Wedge. So I'd have to see. Ooh, the bag is so neon, very neon. It is very cute and not flimsy at all. It's actually very sturdy. It says a selfie for your selfie phone. Oh, there's a little bit. Oh, you know what? I do have a strong scent of acetone, so I'm wondering if this. Whew. Okay, note to self: don't open acetone and sniff. This is halfway full, so I think what happened, it's hot here in California, so I think, I don't know if you're able to see, but there's some discoloration on the box, which is really sad, but that's okay. Discoloration on the box, and I think it might have just leaked. So yes, I opened it to see how full it is, and I just got a whiff of the acetone. Hopefully it didn't kill any brain cells. But this is really cute. Call your bestie, watch a tutorial, and make a video. And this box is very, very sturdy. I will be definitely saving this. I'm not a pack rat, I promise. But when I get cute boxes like this, I do save them. Eventually down the road, I'll probably toss it. But for now, I will stay with it. And so excited. Here is the cleanup brush. Ooh, fancy. Rubberized. And I like that it has the protective cap. Oh, it's a little bent. That's okay. There we go. Fixed it. The brush feels very sturdy. Good length. Oh, it's so cute. So again, this is my first time using Olive and June. And it has its own little casing, which I like. Let's put that back. Perfect. What else do we have here? I received a yellow, what is this called? Poppy. That's cute. Perfect for summer. And a sanding block. The Cuticle Serum. Wait, how do we open this? Has a light scent. But again, it hasn't been used, so I do not know exactly the scent. We can always try it. Let's see. Click, click, click. Ooh, already with those few clicks. Ooh, it feels so soft. And I like that it doesn't really like dispense too much, just enough. And I did 2 clicks. They already look healthy. Okay, who's kidding, right? My nails look horrible. But still. Very light. Not very not very strong of a scent. Feels soft. I like the way this feels. Of course, I would not recommend using this on nobody else. This would be just for myself. Let me see there. Ooh, feels so soft. I'm wondering if there's I'm gonna check if they have like replacement heads for this. You want to make sure you have your hands washed before you apply this, because I think it will be a little bit harder to maintain disinfected. Maybe you can, well, I don't know if you can spray some alcohol. Maybe you can, who knows, but definitely just for yourself. Would be a good gift for, you know, Christmas stockings or for a friend. It's really cute. It looks like a little pom-pom. It feels so soft. Oops. And 2 more items. This is another nail filer, a buffer, and I did need another one of these, so I'm excited that they included that in here. A nail cutter, and I like that it doesn't have that annoying nail filer. I mean, I don't ever use it. Usually I try to I just take them off, but I like this. This is small and compact. Feels very sturdy. It did get a little bit roughed up, but just because of the sanding block. So everything's in there. You can carry it with you in your purse, in your bag, if you're going to be doing a manicure somewhere. I'm excited to try this. I've been seeing this, or for the most part, everybody who's had Olive in June. So let me see. Okay, I wonder if you can take the cap off. Okay, yes, you can take the cap off and just slide it on there. Okay, it does open easily. You know what? Let's give this a quick try. And I'm just trying this out. So yes, my cuticles are horrible. So like I said, it's applying nicely, but again, I have small nail beds right now. Now once you have bigger nail beds or longer nails, it would probably be a different story. That looks pretty nice, and this is not with a white base, just my natural nail. And like I said, I just want to give this a quick try. You can see that of course it's going to need another coat. Yes, please. I'll be doing my nails today. They are horrible, I know. Shame on me. Okay, let's give this a try again. Yes, I'm not set up to be filming because I was just excited to open the package. This is the first time trying Olive in June. Oops. Yeah. Pretty nice. For 2 coats, if not that hard to use. It does you do have to get used to using it, that's for sure. I like the way it feels. Stress. Oh boy. Okay, so the caps are very different from others. That's pretty cool. So just snap that back on, and voila. I don't, maybe if I get closer. Yeah, I know, horrible job. It's actually harder to do your nails on camera. And yes, I still see some streakiness, so yes, I would need a 3rd coat. But like I said, I was just testing it out. I really like this. Off camera, I think I would be able to get 2 coats just because I would have more control. And right here was like, it's a little bit harder than it looks. So what I like about it is that this polish doesn't have that strong of a scent to it. So everything that was in that box is here, as you can see. It's really nice that they gave the top coats some nail remover and extra goodies in the bag. I will be reading this later. Don't want to make this video longer than what it has to be. And yeah, like it has information of everything, how to what they are, which that's good. And more information in here and how to. Well, if I would have read this, I wouldn't be wondering how to use this, but self-explanatory, I suppose. So they even give you pro polish tip. Well, have you watched my video? Thank you for watching. I hope you have a wonderful and blessed day today. Take care. Goodbye.